It's going to end. Look, I think I can open the window now, but it's still... Oh, that's it. Can you hear the thunder? It's still growling. Oh, nasa screen kasi tayo. Ayan. Timing. Over there. For green. It's rolling thunder. It's still raining outside, but it's not too hard. But it's still raining. Umuulan pa rin. It feels like it stopped raining, but it's still ongoing. And baka matapos din to maya-maya. So let's close it. Closed. Oh, yan na oh. Mapayapa na. Big love shout out to our 25 live viewers and 9 likers. When do your kids go back? They're going back to school on September 2nd. So still 1.5 month to go. Tapos na? Tapos na?
Yeah, they're in the basket.
Okay, tapos na daw yung magtupi itong isa. Ilalagay na lang sa mga drawer. Siya na ang nagtapos. At Johnny Tony 3, this never ends. Oh, thank you for the love emojis. It's going up. Masyadong ano oh. And for the happy emojis, it's flying on the screen. Okay guys, I'm going to end this live in a minute. Thank you so much for watching. Ay! Ano ba yan? There's lighting on that side. Up there. Just like an electricity. Electricity moving up in the air. But we can see it. It's just like a flash of light. And it's still... The thunder is growling outside. Green na dito. Ayan. Johnny Tony Free, thank you so much for watching. Mega love shout out to you. You're our first live commenter for today. Thank you so much. Second, Braided Grumpy. Thank you. Mega love shout out to Maya Scott Acres Mars. Maraming salamat. And to Mini Acid the Gamer. Thank you so much. Where are you? I didn't read your comment. I skipped your comment here. We're here in Ottawa, in the capital of Canada. So we're just here. Today it's raining. Johnny 23, thank you for coming. Mini Acid the Gamer. Oh, Fire Sly is here as well. I just read your hi. Hi, mega love shout out to Fire_Sly. I'm just going to pin your message. Sorry about it. I missed your turn chat on. Yeah, the chat live is on. What happened? Can't you see it on your screen? Okie dokie. Time is up. Thank you so much for watching. Big love shout out to 19 live viewers and 9 likers. Thank you. Thank you. Bye everyone.